Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss case study questions in lesson statistics. See the first question. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadhan is a system of premier central government schools in India that are instituted under the aegis of the Ministry of Education, MHRD, Government of India. As of October 2020, it has total of 1,239 schools. It is one of the world's largest chains of schools. The system came into being in 1963 under the name Central Schools. Later, the name was changed to Kendriya Vidyalaya. It is a non-profit organization. Its schools are all affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE). The objective of KVs is to cater to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by providing a common program of education. See the second paragraph. Commissioner of Regional Office Jaipur prepare a table of marks obtained of 100 students which is given below. Marks obtained 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Number of students 0 to 20, 15, 20 to 40, 18, 40 to 60, 21, 60 to 80, 29, 80 to 100 P. That P value we have to find out here. So this is mark obtained of 100 students. So 0 to 20 marks, 15 students, 20 to 40 marks, 18 students, 40 to 60 marks, 21 students, 60 to 80 marks, 29 students, 80 to 100 top scorers P. That P number easily we can find out because total number of students equal to 100. Now let us move on to the first question. He was told that mean marks of a student is 53. These are the two clues given to us. Mean is given to us as 53 and total number of students as 100. See the first question. How many students got marks between 80 to 100? So 80 to 100 is given as P, that we have to find out. What is the method? Total frequency, it is given to us. That is first question. This is how we have to answer. For the first question, total frequency can be found out by total of these values, frequencies. 15, 18 plus 21 plus 29 plus P. Total frequency, total number of students equal to 100. When we add these values, 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 29, what does it become? 83 plus P. That's equal to 100. Therefore, what is P is equal to 100 minus 83. How much we get? It is 17. So, our question was how many students got marks between 80 to 100. 80 to 100 was given as P, that we substituted. We got the total as 100. So, P is equal to 17. So, students who got 80 to 100 is equal to 17. That is option C is correct. That is C is correct. Okay. Now, let us move to question number 2. Okay, all of you can see the second question. What is the lower limit of model class? What is the lower limit of model class? How do we get model class usually? When we see this table, what is the maximum frequency we have to see? I'll show the table once more. Just to see the table. In this table, which is the maximum frequency? Don't you see that 29 as the maximum frequency? And P also we found out, that is 17. So among these frequencies, 29 is the highest value. That class will be called as model class. So lower limit is 60, upper limit is 80. For 60 to 80 class, lower limit 60, upper limit 80. Once more again, the maximum frequency you have to choose from this. 29 is the maximum frequency. So model class is 60 to 80. That's what here we have to write. What is the lower limit of model class? So question number 2 as answer. Model class, if you want, you can write once. Model class equal to. Model class is 60 to 80. Therefore, lower limit equal to 60. So, what is the option here? Isn't it C? C is correct. That is option C is correct. Very simple questions under statistics today. Okay, let us move on to question number 3. Yes. What is the value of model marks? What is the value of model marks? So, mode we have to find out. So, for the third question, mode we have to find out. What is mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So I hope these values are familiar to you. So lower limit we already found out. I'll write everything. L is equal to 60, lower limit of model class. Now when we see this class, we will understand which is F0, F1, F2, etc. Model class we got. I'll show the table once more. See the table in which this is called model class. This 29 will be F1 now. This will be F1. Previous one will be F0 and P will be F2. P means it is 17. That is what here you have to write. Then the next letter to be known is H. H is size of the class 0 to 20. 20 minus 0, 20. 40 minus 20, 20. So 20 equal to our H. So let us write each value. F0 is equal to 21. F1 is equal to 29. F2 is equal to P, that is 17 we have. H is equal to 20. These are the values we have. Okay. Now let us substitute in the formula. Therefore, mode is equal to L plus. L value we have. L is lower limit. That's equal to 60 plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H value that's equal to into 20 here. Yes. That's equal to 60 plus 29 minus 21. Don't we have 8? Now this is 58. 2 into 29, 58. Both are having same sign. Minus 21 minus 17. We have minus 38. Is it? Minus 38 into 20 again. That's equal to 60 plus 8 by 20. When we subtract, we get 20. Into 20 getting cancelled. 60 plus 8 is 68. So, according to our question, what was our question? We had to get the answer 68 as the value of model marks. It is given. Value of model marks 58, 62, 65, 68. So, option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, now we move on to question number 4. What is the value of median marks? Already we found out mode and we have to find out median. Okay, and mean is also given to us. That was one of the clue given. Mean equal to 53. Now connecting these three, do you remember an empirical formula? Mode, mean and median. What is the empirical formula? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. That's what I am going to write. So here we can find out median. Fourth question using empirical formula. First let us write what is the empirical formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so value of mode is 68 we have found out. 3 median minus 2 mean. Mean value it is given to us in the clue as 53. Now let us simplify 68. Here we have 2 into 53. How much it will become? 2 into 53 will become 106 minus 106. It is 3 median minus 106. Therefore 68 plus 106 comes on the other side equal to 3 median. Add both, we get 68 plus 106. That's equal to 174. Into 3 hours, divide by 3 on the other side, so it becomes median. Now we will divide and see. 174 divided by 3. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 4, 12 divisible by 3. 1 time 3 here. Out of 17, 3 5s 15, 2 remainder 24, 3 8s. 3 8s are 24. So 58 is the median we have. 58 is the median. Which is that option? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. So even if you are getting only 1 mark, you have to work out each question. Each question carefully. Okay, now let us move on to question number 5. That is the last question under this. So you have to choose only 4 questions and do in examination. But when you write in notebook, you write all the 5 questions. Okay. 5th question is, what is the upper limit of median class? So you should be knowing what is median and how do we get the upper limit of median class. What is the upper limit of median class? Already we found out what is the median here. How much is our median? Isn't it 58? Where do this 58 comes? In which class? That is called median class. Where this median lies, that class is called median class. So here 58 is the median. Where does it lie? Okay, come back to our table. On table we can see 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Where does this 58 lie? 58 will be in between 40 to 60. So this is called the median class. Median is 58. Therefore median class is 40 to 60. Okay, and upper limit is 60, lower limit is 40. So according to the question we are going to write median class. We will write first as 58 is the median. Median class equal to 40 to 60. They asked us to write what is the upper limit of median class. So 60 is the upper limit. Upper limit equal to 60. Where do we get that option? Option C. So option C is correct. Okay, here we complete our first question. We move on to second question. Let us see the second question. In the following frequency distribution, find median class. Height in centimeter and frequency given. Height in centimeter column 140 to 145, 5 members. 145 to 150, 15. 150 to 155, 25. 155 to 160, 30. 160 to 165, 15. 165 to 170, 10. What is the upper limit of median class? So here, in order to get the upper limit of median class, we should know what is median. So in order to get median, we should use our formula and find out what is the median. Or even by finding CF column we'll be able to get. That is better, I think. So first we have to write vertically downwards, and we will find do the second column as frequency column, third column as CF column. In CF column we will see the last number. When we add all this, we'll be getting equal to 100. So where does n by 2 lies, or number which is greater than n by 2, where does it lie? According to that, we will be finding out upper limit of median class. Okay, let us do that. Okay children, we have to write the column like this. Height in centimeter 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170. Frequency also I have marked as it is given. Now let us write what is CF. How to get CF? First number as it is. Second one will be 5 plus 15, that's equal to 20. 20 plus 25, 20 plus this 25 will become 45, 45 plus 30 will become 75, plus 15, how much? It is 90, then the total plus 10 will become 100. So here our n is equal to 100, n by 2 is equal to 50. Okay. So here in CF column you can see 45, then comes 75. Here we can write 75 is greater than n by 2. That column we have to choose. The 75, where does it lie? See, the frequency is 30 here. That column we have to consider for median class. So here our median class equal to, everybody knows this, median class is equal to 155 to 160. Yes. Therefore, our question, upper limit of median class. What is the upper limit here? It is 160. Therefore, option B is correct. So, option B is correct. Upper limit here it is 160. So, we can write upper limit equal to 160. Always you have to write this answer, which is the option correct we have to write. Then only you will be getting full mark. Now we move on to next question. Here we have question number 2. This was for question number 1. Now this is for 2. Question number 2. Okay. What is the value of median height? What is the value of median height? So it is height in centimeter given. Value of median height means median of this given table we have to find out. Okay. How to find out median? Using our formula. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula. We have to pick up each values and write separately. What is our lower limit of median class? Median class already we found out. All the questions are connected, so it is easy. Lower limit is 155. Then we have to write what is n. We know. N everybody knows. N is 100. So n by 2 is equal to 50. Okay. Now frequency of that class interval. 155 to 160 class frequency is 30. F is equal to 30. F is equal to 30. CF is CF of class preceding the median class. If 155 to 160 is median class, class preceding the median class is 150 to 155. Its CF, that is equal to 45. CF is equal to 45 and H class size. This 140 to 145. So class size will be 5. 145 minus 140. That is how we get. Class size is 5. Okay. Everywhere you can see it is the same class size. 170 minus 165. It is 5. So 5 is the class size. We have to substitute here. So median is equal to L plus 155 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF 45 by frequency 30 into size is 5 into 5 it is. Okay, 155 plus 5 by 30 into 5 we are getting. Isn't it 6 times 6 5s are 30? So 155 plus 5 by 6 it is. What is 5 by 6? We have to find out. 5 divided by 6. Okay, give the decimal. How many times? 8 6 are 48. 2 comes 20, 6 3s are 18. It goes on. So we will be getting it as 155. Okay. 155 plus 0.83. Answer is 155.83. So for the second question, what is the mode was the question. See the option, which is the option here, 155.83. Where do we get that? Second, 155.83. Don't you see it as C? C, option C. So here we have to write option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now we move on to third question. What is the lower limit of model class? Model class. Model class means class which is having maximum frequency. Which class? Come back to the table. Which class is having maximum frequency here? 30 is the maximum frequency. So class is 155 to 160. So we will write it as model class equal to 155 to 160. What is the lower limit of that? Is it 155? Lower limit equal to 155. So here you can see the option. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay. We'll see the next question, fourth question. What is the value of model mark? Model mark means mode. Mode we have to, model height actually, is it? What is the model height? So we can write it as model height it is. Okay, not the model mark. What is the model height? So we have to find out mode. We should write the formula for that. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here we have the model class. What is our model class? Already we found out 155 to 160. Therefore, L is equal to 155. Frequency of that class. Frequency of that class is called F1. It is 30. You can go through the table, you will understand. When you go through the table, you can see that. Okay, in table you just see that. Here 30 is the maximum frequency. Model class 155 to 160 model class. Lower limit is 155. F1, F0, F2. Write the values. F0 25. Here we will write F0 25 and F2. F2 is equal to 15. Okay. And class size, it is 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. You have to substitute the values in the formula and we have to calculate. Therefore, mode is equal to 155 plus F1 30 minus F0 25 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 155 plus 30 minus 25 is 5. 2 into 30 is 60. Both are having same sign added. We will be getting 40 into 5 it is. That's equal to, we have to write it as 155 plus, do the calculation. 155 plus 5 by 20 into 5. 5 fours are 20. So 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. Is it? So here we are getting, okay, 155 plus 1.25. 5 by 4 when you divide. So 156.25 is the answer. Here we have 156.25 as option B. B is correct. Option B is correct. Fifth question, what is the value of mean height? Here we have to find out what is mean. So empirical formula we know. Again we don't want to apply the other formula for mean. Okay, here we can use empirical formula as we have found out median and a mode. So we have 3 median. Question number 5 it is 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode we know. Okay, so 3 into median value. 3 median we found out. How much is our median? It is 155.83. Already we found out. Into minus 2 mean equal to mode also we have found out. How much is our mode? Mode is equal to 156.25. Okay. So let us multiply this 3 into 155.83. 3 3 is 9, 4, 7, 6, 4. Okay. Minus 2 mean equal to 156.25. Let us transfer minus 2 mean to the other side. 467.49 minus this comes to left side as minus 156.25. That is, when we subtract, what do we get? We will subtract, okay, 4, 2, 1, 1, 3. 311.24. That is equal to 2 mean to the other side, 2 mean. Therefore, what is equal to mean? Mean equal to 311.24 divided by 2. Here you can do the division and find out the answer, and you have to choose the option. So 311. So those who know as mental calculation you can do, that is very easy. But for those who do not know, I am doing it. Okay. 2 times 1 remainder 11 comes. So here we have 5 times 10. Subtract again. 5 comes 10. Subtract. Give the decimal 2. 6 times 12 comes 4. 2 2s 4. Okay. So here we have 155.625. Okay, 62 here we have. So this option is correct. Option A. So here we will write it as 155.625. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Hope everybody understood. Very simple question. Third question I will be giving us homework. Stay safe. Bye.